Welcome back to Anderson Smoke Show. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you, and that is my Camp Chef Artisan pizza oven. We're gonna get this thing unboxed, put onto my Sidekick. We're gonna talk about the features of that, and we're gonna make you a pizza. Stick around and see how we do it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because we've got new content coming out every week. Be sure to ring that notification bell so that you can keep up. Like the video, write me a comment, ask me questions about my Camp Chef Sidekick or this Camp Chef Artisan pizza oven. I'm getting hungry, let's make a pizza. Now, Camp Chef sent me this Artisan pizza oven to go with my Sidekick, and I'm really excited about this because pizza is one of my favorite foods. Let's get this thing opened up. Now, I can tell you I've done about zero research in regards to what it takes to get this pizza oven working and installed. I'm not sure if there's any assembly required. I have a feeling there won't be. We'll find out when we get in here. We've got an instruction booklet here. There's also a temperature gauge that is zip tied inside. Be sure to take that out. I'm gonna go ahead and open that. Nice little temperature gauge there. And there's not really anything else inside of the oven. I can show you that build quality there. Nice stainless steel top. You can see inside there. One thing I noticed, pizza stone is not inside yet. So looking at the instructions here, we basically just have the thermometer installation and the stone installation. That's all we've got to do. Let's go ahead and do it. For the thermometer installation, all we have to do is remove the wing nut, and we are going to insert the thermometer down in through these holes, and they've got this pin here on the back to help guide it and line it up. So I'm gonna put that in place. There we go. And I'm gonna reach in from the bottom side and reinstall this wing nut. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Done. To install the stone, we need to remove these 4 screws, and there's a bracket here and 2 screws that hold each bracket in place. So just remove these 4 screws. So now we're going to install the pizza stone, and you just want to set that down carefully. Now there's this little edge that's going to go on each of those brackets, and it's going to keep the stone from shifting left to right. So you have to make sure that once you put the bracket back, the holes line up in place. So you might have to shift that stone just a little bit like I did there. And I can see it has to go back just a little bit. In this, I'm just going to line that up and start tightening that. Thermometer is attached, the pizza stone is in and locked down. Let's talk about how you use it. One of the coolest features of my Camp Chef Pellet Grill is the Sidekick Attachment. This pizza oven simply sets right on top of the Sidekick. That's it. But wait, there's more. I love my attachment so much that Camp Chef also sent me the Pro 60X 2-burner 14-inch cook system. And this oven will sit right on top. So I can take this pizza oven anywhere I want to go. They even make these awesome accessory bags where you can take your deluxe barbecue box or your Artisan pizza oven on the road make sure that you can protect your equipment. You don't have a Sidekick, or you don't have a Pro 60X, no problem. If you've got a gas grill with enough cooking surface to accommodate that 14-inch accessory, that pizza oven will work. But I do suggest that you look into these awesome Camp Chef products like the Smoke Pro SG24 Wi-Fi with the Sidekick Attachment or the Pro 60X. They're all great, and that's an easy way for me to take any of my accessories, like the deluxe barbecue box, like my griddle, like my pizza oven, and take it anywhere. You should do the same. Now, using the Artisan pizza oven with your Sidekick is super easy. I've already turned the gas on, and we're gonna go ahead and ignite this. Just let the gas run for a split second and ignite. Now, we wanna set this to medium to low heat. I'm gonna check to make sure that we've got a flame, which we do. And I'm gonna set this to medium-low heat. The key with an Artisan pizza oven and this pizza stone is to let it come up to temperature gradually. So that's why we're using a medium to low temperature setting, and we're gonna monitor the temperature of the oven and the stove. So if you've got this Artisan pizza oven, get yourself an infrared thermometer. We're gonna use this to monitor the temperature of that pizza stone. We wanna see 500 to 550 degrees on that stone before we put anything on it. So I'm gonna use my thermometer to see what the temperature is. Now, with this particular model, we're able to read surface temperatures at various different distances. But the user manual states that it's most accurate at 8 inches. And I know what 8 inches looks like. From roughly 8 inches away, we're reading about 125, 126 degrees. We've got to continue monitoring that temperature until we hit that 500 to 550 degree range on that stone temp. All this talk of pizza sure has me hungry. And there's only one way to test out this new Artisan pizza oven, and that's with a pizza. The oven's at about 535 degrees and it's steady. I've got my pizza on the pizza peel. Let's get it into the oven. Yeah, so the pizza is in the oven, and with a little thicker crust like this, it's probably gonna take about 7 to 10 minutes at that 500 to 550 degree stone temp. This pizza is done, but I can tell by the shape of it that I need a little work with my pizza peel. But check that out. That looks good. None of this work is worth anything until we try that pizza. So I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna cut me a little slice here, and I apologize, I don't have a pizza cutter with me right now. I've got a little bit to learn about pizza making. I can tell you now that the crust could be a little bit thinner, so just a little bit less dough. I can tell you what though, smells great and it looks good too. Now that makes a great pizza. Now I love pizza, so this is the beginning of a beautiful relationship. Be sure to tune in often because we're gonna have a lot of awesome stuff like this Artisan pizza. We'll see you next time on Anderson's Smoke Show.
Thanks again for tuning in to Anderson's Smoke Show. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel so that you can keep up with the latest content.